Sound setup. Please check before setting the sound. If the original vehicle has fiber optic cable, please remove it from the original connector to the new one. If your car does not have an AUX or OMI port, connect the audio cable directly to the power cable. If your car has an AUX port, disconnect the audio cable from the power cable, then connect it directly to the vehicle's AUX port. If your car has an OMI port, disconnect the audio cable from the power cable, use the included OMI cable, connect one end of the cable to the audio jack on the power cable and the other end to the vehicle's OMI port. AUX audio output mode. If your phone's Bluetooth is already connected to the original vehicle's Bluetooth, please disconnect it. Please turn off Use Car's BD channel option. Please return to the OEM's media page. Please select AUX in the audio option and ensure that the player volume is not at its minimum. Please leave the original vehicle system on this page. Then touch the screen to return to the Carplay system and enjoy music.
调一下音乐这种，再调大一点。
Troubleshooting.